If your organization is using Nintex or considering it, there's a major change you need to know about. Nintex for SharePoint is officially reaching end of life on June 14th, 2026, and thousands of organizations are now searching for a Nintex replacement. So, what's happening and what should you use instead? Let's break it down. For years, Nintex was one of the most popular workflow automation platforms for SharePoint. Organizations used it to automate approvals, build forms, create business workflows, replace manual processes, and extend SharePoint beyond its native capabilities. And for a long time, it worked well, especially for on premise SharePoint environments. But the Microsoft ecosystem has changed dramatically. Microsoft moved aggressively toward Microsoft 365, cloud first architecture, Power Platform automation, and modern SharePoint experiences. As a result, many legacy workflow tools began struggling to keep pace. Organizations started running into challenges like increasing licensing costs, complex migrations, performance limitations, governance concerns, and difficult upgrades. And now there's a major milestone accelerating change. Nintex has announced that Nintex for SharePoint will reach end of life on June 14th, 2026. That means organizations still relying on SharePoint based Nintex workflows must plan their transition soon. After this date, support ends, future compatibility is out the window, and risk increases for business critical workflows. This is why searches for Nintex alternatives and Nintex competitors have surged. Companies aren't just upgrading, they're rethinking workflow automation entirely. Here are the biggest reasons organizations are moving away from Nintex today. Number one, cost complexity. Licensing models have become difficult to predict and scale. Many organizations discover automation costs rising faster than expected. Number two, cloud and Microsoft 365 alignment. Businesses want automation that feels native inside SharePoint Online, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft 365 security models, not something layered on top. Number three, migration pressure. With the 2026 deadline approaching, companies must evaluate whether migrating Nintex workflows makes sense, or if rebuilding smarter is the better investment. Number four, modern automation expectations. Today's organizations expect AI assisted workflows, faster deployment, low code configuration, easier administration, and better user adoption. Legacy workflow architectures weren't designed for this reality. If you're evaluating an Nintex alternative, focus on these key capabilities: native Microsoft 365 integration, modern workflow designer, forms and automation in one platform, lower total cost of ownership, migration flexibility, governance and compliance readiness, and AI automation capabilities. The goal isn't just replacing Nintex, it's modernizing how your organization automates work. Many organizations are now moving toward modern workflow automation platforms built specifically for Microsoft 365 environments. One example is Nitro Studio, which provides workflow automation directly inside SharePoint and Teams, modern forms and approval processes, rapid deployment without complex development, predictable licensing, and easier migration from legacy workflows. Instead of forcing organizations to rebuild everything from scratch, modern platforms focus on simplifying automation while aligning with Microsoft's future roadmap. The end of Nintex for SharePoint isn't just a product change, it's a signal that workflow automation is evolving. Organizations that plan early can reduce migration risks, lower costs, and modernize processes all at the same time. The question isn't whether companies will replace Nintex, it's whether they'll do it strategically or under deadline pressure. If your organization is evaluating a Nintex replacement or planning for the 2026 transition, we've included resources below to help you get started. And if you want more videos explaining Microsoft 365 automation, workflow modernization, and SharePoint strategy, subscribe to the channel.